Hello dear friends, are you looking nail drill machine? Today in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best budget-friendly nail drill machines for home use. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links and the description down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you have any other recommendations, please feel free to leave a comment below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 5th product on my list, Huhubol Cordless Nail Drill Machine. The Huhubol Professional Electric, Rechargeable Nail Drill Machine for home and salon use. This wireless nail drill adopts portable design with a built-in 1600 mAh large capacity battery. This Huhubol high-speed nail drill applies an upgrade cordless motor of 30,000 RPM, divided by 30 different rotating levels. The compact design creates identity of low noise, low vibration, and low heat. This integrative solution provides high comfort and stable operation to various nail hardness. The high-quality matte aluminum alloy body used by the nail drill ensures its ultra-high stability and strong heat dissipation during use. 4th product on my list, MelodySusie Professional Nail Drill Scarlet. The MelodySusie High-Speed, Professional Nail Drill Machine. This nail drill machine is high-speed, low vibration, low noise, and smooth operation with variable speed control 0 to 30,000 RPM. This professional nail drill great for grinding, cutting, carving, removing gel polish and cuticles for natural nails, acrylic nails, and gel nails. Lightweight and durable, it is made of aluminum alloy material with a unique metallic luster. Efficient heat dissipation, the special material and ample ventilation holes design will not create much heat and will avoid the dust into the handpiece. Easy to change bits, handpiece comes with high quality torque and a twist lock system which makes it easy to change nail drill bits. 3rd product on my list, Ecbasket Portable Nail Drill Machine. The Ecbasket Electric Nail Drill for Acrylic Nails. Ecbasket Electric Nail Drill can be used for buffering, grinding, sharpening, sanding, polishing for acrylic nails, removing gel nails, artificial or natural nails, even cuticle removal. What's more, we also provide foot pedal function. You can choose hand or foot mode for your convenience. Ecbasket Professional Nail Drill handpiece is made of high-quality aluminum alloy. The bit lock-up system helps you replace nail drill bits easily. Suitable for both left or right-handed operators. Ideal for professional nail salon and home use. This acrylic nail drill comes with a small compact controller and you can place the handpiece in the center of the drill machine. This nail drill machine featured high speed with variable speed control from 0 to 30,000 RPM. Low vibration, low noise, low heat with updated handpiece motor and bearing. 2nd product on my list, Mockert Rechargeable Nail Drill. The Mockert Professional Nail Drill Kit Portable E-File Manicure Drill for Acrylic Nails. Stephanie Nail Drill. As pioneers in the space, Mockert Professional Nail Drill was built with innovation and simplistic use in mind for technicians and customers of any skill level, combinative design, precision and user-friendly controls, perfect for salon and home use. Mockert Acrylic Nail Drill Machine is used for buffering, grinding, sharpening, sanding, polishing acrylic nails, remove extension gels, artificial, and cuticle remover. It can fit the 332 drill bits. Rechargeable electric nail file. Mockert acrylic nail drill can operate up to 6 hours after full charge in 100 to 240 volt. The control box has an LED display, variable speed dial, forward and reverses button. 35,000 RMP high-speed electric nail drill. This home-use acrylic nail drill set is equipped with a high-quality bearing, which enables to work smoothly at a high and adjustable speed 0 to 35,000 RPM by rotating the variable speed control knob easily. Truly archive low heat, low noise, low vibration. Support forward reverse direction. LCD display can clearly show you the speed and the power status, easy control and use. 1st product on my list, Lugx Professional Cordless Nail Drill. The Lugx Electric Rechargeable Portable E-File Nail Drill Tool for acrylic, gel nails, manicure pedicure, polishing. It is a brand with light luxury flavor. It gives love beauty peoples not only the enjoyment of color, also the transmission of charm. The professional nail drill has a unique safety protection system, which can prevent the motor temperature from rising too high. High speed up to 30,000 RPM. This professional nail drill is equipped with high-quality bearing, which enables it work smoothly at a high and adjustable speed by rotating the speed control knob easily. It is an ideal file for both professional technicians in salon and newbies who start their journey to nail beauty at home. Top quality torque, high precision, maximum coaxiality is 0.015 millimeters. Super smooth, quiet, and no vibration. Awesome for nail buffing, filing the shape of various nails, and smoothing calluses or hardened skin on your hands and feet. Lightweight and portable, this nail drill machine made of high-quality metal, tiny and lightweight design, you can do your nail artwork anywhere and anytime.